I found the workshop and I was hooked and I wanted to help others.
You're not by yourself, and that will help you get better.
Every day, millions of people with ongoing health conditions struggle to manage their symptoms. About 80% of older adults have at least one ongoing chronic condition, and 68% have at least two. Thousands of individuals have participated in these programs. We want to share their stories.
I have been insulin dependent for about 35 years. And once you've been, living like that for a long time, sometimes you get kind of sloppy about what you're doing. So I was looking for a way to find out more information and more motivation for myself. And then I found the workshop and I was hooked and I wanted to help others.
It just benefited me in ways that I hadn't thought of, and it just made me aware of some things that I just hadn't given very much thought to. So
I found out that I was not alone, so there's a lot of people have health problems. And their experience, I found out that helping one another and talking to one another, we get better.
Every week we have something called an action plan, and this is really a crux of the program. You develop an action plan, and you want to make sure that it's something that you want to do, something that can be achievable, and it can be measured. Maybe you have a goal of perhaps wanting to lose weight. Well, that's a goal. How do you get there? And these weekly action plans help you break it down into steps to achieve and get to the goal that you want to obtain.
the people have known me. When I took the class, I had a weight problem. I was pushing almost 300 pounds, and that was at that time priority, and that's what I worked on. And well, I did really good. I dropped almost 60 pounds, and feeling good.
We had an action plan to get some goals done within a week. And one of my goals was to get my license. And I had to get that license. I wanted to get my license in that week and come and show the picture of the license. And the next Tuesday, I had my license. So that class really helped me, and I really enjoyed the health program.
The impact that I've heard that the program has had on our significant population is that individuals are now being able to say that they understand better their chronic conditions. They understand that it's not a death sentence. They understand, how to eat better. They understand what questions to ask. They understand how to prep before a doctor's appointment, appropriate medications and things like that. So they've actually gained a bunch of knowledge that is beneficial, not just to their physical health, but to their mental health, because now they have a more ease mental state, so now they're able to address additional things outside of their health moving forward.
Hi, Sita. How are you doing?
Okay, how are you, Dr. Malika?
We have been using Age Options Take Charge of Your Health chronic disease self-management programs for a few years now. We've been working with the team and enrolling our patients into these programs, and I can say that with full confidence the results are remarkable. We've had people come back and just rave about the confidence they get, and the results are remarkable too. The sugar levels get better overall, weight control, their perception of how healthy they feel and how confident they are in controlling their diabetes.
There is a high incidence of diabetes in between the Hispanic community and African American community. Unfortunately, there is not too many resources out there for this high need community. We definitely can find better resources with Age Options and the programs that they are offering there to the community.
What I really truly like about this program and being a master trainer is the manner in which it is taught. They're very interactive and engaging, and that creates a lot of participation amongst those who are there at the workshops, at the trainings. And that then will lead to empower others in order for them to understand that, you know what, this isn't the end. I can go on and I can do it. I can manage things and I can do it life will be fine.
Age Options is a licensed provider of Take Charge of Your Health, along with a host of integrated partners throughout Illinois. Join the Take Charge of Your Health team. Call 800-699-9043.